I can be playing music on my audio app and also watching TikTok video. The music from my music app playing in the Bluetooth headset, while audio from TikTok is playing on the phone speaker. One of the nifty things that Samsung has implemented in their smartphones is the ability to assign your Bluetooth headset to one or more apps such that you can listen to audio from that app while doing something else that is playing audio from another app. A simple example is I can be watching a YouTube video whose audio is being played on the speaker while listening to music via my Bluetooth headset from the music player app. This is made possible by the Samsung separate app Sound. Hello, I'm Mr. Mobility, and if you want to know how to set this up, it's pretty simple. You pick up your Samsung phone, you already have your Bluetooth earbuds or headphones paired with the phone. Go into the settings app and scroll down till you see sounds and vibration. Sounds and vibration. Scroll down, and then when you see the separate app Sound, tap on that. It's going to show you where to turn it on right there, and then you can select the apps that you want the separate sound to use, and then you go back and select the audio device that you want that to happen on. So for example, I have picked Pulsar, that's my music player, and then I come to the audio device down there and I have assigned it to play on my Bluetooth headset. So if I launch a track on the music player and I'm listening to it on the Bluetooth headset, I can also go to my TikTok app or YouTube app or Instagram or Facebook and watch videos, listen to audio there on the speaker of the phone. Two separate audio playing on the phone at the same time through two separate channels. One, the phone speakers, two, Bluetooth headset. I'll see you in my next video.